Okay.
It's okay, guys.
And Jenny, we're going to do the Chubby Bunny challenge, and you guys can keep count because we are not good with technology to add it over the video.
Chubby my bunny.
Okay, ready?
Yep, go.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
I'm a chubby bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby bunny.
Chubby Bunny. Okay, I made it 5. I don't know how many I made it to, but you guys can tell us in a comment. Tell us what Caker's got and tell us what Jenny got.
That was horrible, guys. I'm fucking crying. Oh.
Alright, that was fun. So, yeah, maybe we'll add more videos.
Bye.